All right, this is instructions for students and information for Ms. Muntz on our sub day today, January 22nd, 2026. Here's the classes we're going to have today. I'll be around to help with morning announcements. No need to do any of that. I'll unlock everything. Again, all classes, no guests, no passes to other classrooms. If a student comes with a pass from another teacher to do work on a computer, that's fine. If they're here to socialize or it seems kind of shady for some reason, just send them back to their classroom. Electronic device procedure is a state law that they keep their phones in the pockets. If I see a phone out, I tell them to put it in their pocket. No argument, or someone will come take it away. Film production is the first class today. They have an ed puzzle about script writing. They are going to have to write a Hollywood formatted script for their short film coming up. So this video explains, as I think a review, how to write a movie script. B2 is the broadcast journalism class. This is a mix of juniors and seniors. Juniors are working on a Premiere Pro certification. They have a courseware, so they should have Premiere Pro open and some video tutorials. Seniors have chosen projects to work on this semester. They should be planning, writing scripts or storyboards or something for the project they're working on. B3 is planning. This is actually the class I'm taking on the field trip, so there might not be many people in the class. B3 is planning, and B4 is a sophomore introduction to media arts class. That's not what they're doing here. They are working on, don't think on this application I can show you what they're doing, but they're doing the Brain Buffet lesson as well. So they should have Premiere Pro open and the video tutorials. They should be finishing up Module 1. Some of them are just starting Module 1 because it's hard sometimes. Yeah. They should be finishing up Module 1. They should actually be following along and following the instructions of the video tutorial. Great. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.